What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Kisonli KS-03 speaker, and I got this thing for around $6 to $7. So let's see what we are working with. Alright, so first thing, the box. The box looked like it already had a past life. It came looking a little beat up and used, and I will be honest, that made me a little sad and a little mad at the same time. Like, bro, I just spent my money on this. But then I opened it up and the speaker inside was perfectly fine. No damage, nothing missing, looked brand new. So the box took the hit for the team, I guess. Respect. Now let's look at it. Small, clean, simple design. No lights, no RGB, nothing fancy. Just a straightforward little speaker that looks neat on a desk. I actually like the simplicity. There is a volume knob on the cable itself, which is actually really convenient. No need to touch your PC at all. Okay, so setup. You need two cables. One USB to power it, and one 3.5mm AUX for the audio. Took me a second to figure out, but once you know, it is literally 10 seconds to set up. Alright, now the part you actually care about. How does it sound? I am playing some music right now, and guys, this thing is loud. Like genuinely loud. I was not expecting that at all from a $6 speaker. The volume really surprised me. Sound quality is decent. Vocals come through clear. Music sounds enjoyable. Way better than my laptop speakers, for sure. Only two things I will say. The cable is a bit short, which can be annoying depending on your setup. And the sound is not the smoothest. There is a tiny roughness to it at higher volumes. But at this price, honestly, I cannot complain. For $6 to $7, this speaker is absolutely worth it. If your laptop sounds terrible and you want a cheap fix, this is it. Simple, loud, gets the job done. Drop a like if this helped, and I will catch you in the next one.
Alright, I have connected the speakers and I think this is really great. Although there is maybe a little bit of smoothness is missing in this soundbox, but I'm happy with it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. And this cost me around $6 to $7. Yeah.